Hey e-learners, welcome to biology. We have a cell cycle diagram you guys have to fill out today, and what you're going to do is just like always. Oh, and if you're wondering, I'm Doc Brown from Back to the Future. I have a Marty McFly floating around as one of my students. Pretty cool. But it's Spirit Week, so make sure you're sending me copies of your costumes as well. So anyways, this is the first page of your assignment called the cell cycle diagram that's posted in the Google Classroom. And there's your first slide. Here's your second slide. On this slide, ooh, let me move my picture out of the way here. All right, on the second slide, it has all these spots that you have to type things in. So just like we always do, just go up to your text box and put a little text box there and type directly in what's going on in the G1 phase. I mean, I'm not going to give you the answer, but G1 phase. All right. And just type your information directly on there. And then for the next one, insert your next text box. So just go in and type whatever is happening in where this arrow's pointing here, the G0 phase, or what they call the G0 phase, what's happening there. The page numbers are listed on the first slide here, so page 345 and 346 to help in your textbook, and of course you can always use the internet to help you figure this out as well. All right, have a great day. That's how you fill out this assignment. Bye guys. Enjoy Spirit Week.